How to connect Visual Studio Code to Azure DevOps. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Visual Studio Code to Azure DevOps so you can manage your code, repos, and pipelines easily. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Visual Studio Code on your laptop. After that, open Visual Studio Code. Make sure you have Git installed and you are signed in to your Microsoft account. Next step is to install Azure repos. Go to Extensions tab, which is on the left side of this screen. Then search for Azure repos on search bar and install the extension provided by Microsoft, which is this one. This will let you work with Azure DevOps repositories right from VS Code. Next step is to sign in to Azure DevOps. Now open the command palette using Ctrl+Shift+P, then type Azure:sign in, then hit enter. A browser window will pop up. Sign in with your Microsoft Azure DevOps account and authorized access. Now, to clone a repo from Azure DevOps, go back to the command palette and select git.clone. Paste your Azure DevOps repo URL and select a folder to save it. And that's it. This is how you can connect Visual Studio Code to Azure DevOps. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.